What are you handcuffing me for?
Cut it out. Cut it out.
What? You gay? I ain't no shit. Get your gay ass on.
Sit down. Sit down.
Yeah.
The 4th of October, 2023. Hartsfield-Jackson, Atlanta International Airport, Atlanta, Georgia. Atlanta Police Department Airport Section responds to a disruptive passenger denied boarding by airline personnel.
It's the man of the hour. Security.
Don't pay them no attention.
Something wrong with y'all.
You gonna need all the help you can get.
She already had the cops or something. Like, if I would have smacked
Her?
Yeah, she gotta get it. So she appears to be a strong odor of alcohol. When she's not boarded, for her the removing option tomorrow at 9:50 p.m.
Okay.
Doesn't want that.
They're literally showing favoritism to me. I'm sorry. This is me right here.
So she ain't fine.
No.
Just need to be escorted out.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. That's all you got to take, man?
Huh?
That's all you need to take? You got bags or anything?
No, I'm going on my flight.
No, you're not going on the flight. You ain't going
Why?
You're too intoxicated.
I'm not intoxicated. You can test me. You gotta test me to tell that I'm intoxicated.
Listen.
Mm-hmm.
You don't want to go to jail, right?
No.
Okay. Just go ahead and get whatever you got to get, and let's go to the train, okay?
Go to where?
The train. You can't be down here, because if you're not flying, you don't have a ticket.
I'm not intoxicated.
Okay.
So what I'm saying is they wrong.
Okay. Listen to me.
Mm-hmm.
You just said you don't want to go to jail, right?
I'm not intoxicated. So you want to come? Who is your boss and your supervisor?
Stop slapping the gum in your mouth.
7:05 to 3. How close are you? I'm going to transport her via car.
Don't you?
Well, I didn't do nothing. I need to get on my flight. I gotta go to my kid. So I'm trying to see what's going on after this.
I'm trying to help the next available flight.
Why would you tell me the next available flight if I book my flight for this flight?
And I understand that. However, you won't be making
Why not?
So are y'all going to be bored or something?
Why I'm not making
Y'all
this
not
flight? And I paid for this.
So y'all not bored because of this?
Why I'm not making this
Y'all
flight?
not bored because of
Excuse me,
this?
so I paid for this. I didn't do nothing to them. Why I'm not making my flight? And I didn't do anything. Like, what's the problem? Let me start recording. Because y'all making me. Like, hold on.
Okay.
I'm not making my flight because of what? I'm not, excuse me, ma'am, I'm serious.
Man,
because I have to go to my baby. I have to go to my
you gonna mess around and
baby.
get arrested. You need to stop.
What am I
You need to
doing?
stop. You really need to stop.
Let me rebook you for the next available flight so you don't lose your option.
Excuse me.
It's gonna be bad when you sober up and you're gonna be in jail.
I'm sober. You think I'm not sober?
You're gonna get yourself
I'm
arrested.
sober. I don't drink. I don't smoke. I don't do none of that. I'm asking her. I told her I'm trying to get to my baby. I told her I took a shot at the bar up there. I need to get to my baby.
They're not gonna let you fly. I'm trying to help
Okay, I want you to stay right here today now because I paid for this. And this was my flight say confirmation C.
I got a car coming, so they gonna work it in.
Because that's bogus. I paid for this for my baby. I only paid for this for my baby. I won't be coming back if it weren't for my baby. I just paid $200. It's crazy.
Alright. Amaya, correct? Alright. Once again, I won't be making this flight tomorrow, but I have an option for tomorrow. I'm going to go ahead and rebook you for tomorrow, so you have that option, okay?
Thank you. Why it's not for today though? And I booked and I'm at the front of the line.
Can you stand on this side?
Yeah, I need to get on this flight today because I got to get to my baby. So if you're not able to get me on this flight, then don't even book the flight. Don't book the flight. No, don't book the flight because I need to get on this flight today.
You got backup coverage? You got backup coverage?
I got a female coming with a vehicle. Because she ain't gonna be able to walk to the train like that. Yeah. Yeah.
No, it was almost an hour.
Who?
Alright, the crew is here, so can you
Yeah.
somewhere?
Okay. So y'all need to come over here. She gonna do whatever she need to do for
I
you.
need to
Come
make
on over
sure
here.
because
Listen,
I didn't do
listen,
nothing wrong. So I'm
listen.
gonna need to see your boss or some your manager. I didn't do nothing wrong. So I'm trying to see her about. I This my flight I booked. I paid $200 for this. So I'm not finna just walk over there until you come. No, I need to see my money that I paid for. I paid my money for this.
Go ahead over there.
I ain't do this for no reason. And I did this for some reason.
Listen to me. I need you to listen to me. Listen to me real quick. In a second, I'm going to pull out handcuffs and handcuff you. And
I'm finna just walk out.
Go over there.
I
Just
need
wait
my
over
money
there.
back.
Wait over there.
I need my money back.
Just wait over here.
I need my money back.
Come on over here.
I'm sorry, I need my money back.
I'm trying to help you out.
Excuse me. I need my money
I'm trying to help you out.
Nah.
Come on out the way.
I need my money back.
I don't want to cuff you and lock you up, but that's about to happen because you're not listening to me. When I reach behind me and grab these cuffs, that's
You're
it.
so mean,
Come
and
over
they
this
took
way.
my
Go over that way.
money.
Let them do what they got to do. Go over that way. Go over there. Go
No,
over there.
they
You don't
gonna
need
let
to-
me on the
no,
plane.
no.
Yes, they
Go over
are.
there. Go over there. Go
No,
over there.
no.
I'm trying not to lock you up.
Lock me up for what?
See, this is... Come on over this way. Come on. I didn't want to do this. You did this. This is what you did.
Can you call your boss, please?
This is what you did.
Can you call your manager or your boss? Please, can you call him?
Come on.
Please call him. Because you putting the handcuffs around me now. Now I feel
I tried to not do it.
Please call the boss. Call your boss, please. Because you putting this on me now. And I'm not like...
Stop.
Call your boss. Please call him. Call him.
Stop snatching.
Call your boss or your manager. You're not taking me in jail for nothing. What you handcuffing me for? Hold on, let me turn my camera on.
I did this to you.
You handcuffing me for what? What are you handcuffing me for?
Come on.
What are you handcuffing me for?
Cut it out. Cut it out.
Please don't touch.
Cut it out.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I just told him. I just told him don't. What are you handcuffing me for? What are you handcuffing me for?
I didn't want to go that route, but you did it. That's what you did. Hold up, hold up.
That's
Sir,
what he
watch out.
doing to
Sir,
me.
watch out.
That's what he doing to me. Like, that's what he doing. You got me fucked up.
Why are you fucking smiling, baby? Stop fucking funny. Yeah, cute. No, it's not fucking funny. It's not funny. I don't know why bitch laughing. No, if she can laugh, I can say whatever the fuck I want. It's not funny. Fuck? Fucking ugly white bitch.
Hey, what y'all doing now?
Let's not work from two directions. Hold on, baby. Go in.
Sorry, y'all. Have a good night, sir. You did what you had to do.
Come on. Come on, this lady. Come on, man. Come on. You got bags?
I do have a bag over there. Can you get it?
Yeah, I got you. Come on.
Right there.
We got it. Come on. This lady, come on.
No.
No? Come on,
I'm
man.
not even know.
Can we call somebody? Come on, man. Ma'am, go away. You live here in Atlanta?
No.
You got somebody can call for you?
My bag.
Yeah, we got your bag. Come on.
Okay.
Come on, I got your bag. He's getting it for you. Come on.
Leave it.
Come on. Come on back,
leaving.
I kept trying to tell you.
Come on.
They keep trying to tell me
I kept trying to tell you.
He slammed me on the ground.
Yeah, part of the job, honey.
I kept
Part of
trying
the
to
job.
I kept
Part of
trying
the
to tell
job.
you.
It's not. My mama worked for a police job, but it's not part of the job. But it's okay. Because he won't be on drink. What you saying is the wrong thing.
Okay.
I don't drink liquor.
Okay.
So you saying that that's the wrong thing. I don't drink liquor.
Well, why you acting the way you acting?
What?
Why are you acting?
Because I need to get to my baby.
Okay.
And she was telling me that I'm not going to get to my baby. She said 9:52 in the morning, and I'm telling her that I need to get to my baby tonight. I had a babysitter that was hard to work her ass. She
Okay. You got somebody we can call for you?
No, I don't.
Screaming. What is it with you? You on drugs or something? You've been drinking? What's wrong with you?
It's a 6-month-old baby.
Yeah, but
Yeah, you said.
But you're intoxicated.
I'm not.
You walking all over the place.
Baby.
You're shouting. Everybody's talking to your normal tone of voice. You're over here screaming.
I'm not.
Okay, what's going on with
I'm
you?
not drunk, for one.
What did you take?
I didn't take anything. I'm
You-
okay.
You on something.
Huh?
You're on something. You're not sober. So I don't know what's going on with you.
Baby.
But if there's somebody we can call for you, we'll do it. We got somebody at the house we can call for you
Yeah.
so they know what's going on with you? Yes?
Yeah.
Who can we call for you?
I just want to go to my baby.
What?
Like, I didn't do nothing.
Well, like the officer told you, you're not going to be able to make it tonight. So
Okay, because I'll take this off of me.
I said, stop. You gonna go to jail. And the ticket agent was like, he trying to tell you, old buddy. He was begging her.
Go to jail for what?
And they was like, we just
Go to jail for what? That's so fake. I didn't do anything to go to jail. When you go to jail, you have to do something. I didn't do anything to go to jail. Like, I just want this off of me.
You made the wrong decision.
That's
I
wrong.
looked you right in your face and I said, you gonna sober up and you
Come
gonna
on,
be.
come on,
See,
come on, come on.
Where is the boss?
That's
Come on.
what you.
What are you doing?
Where is the boss?
This why you got cuffs on.
I think
Okay,
he's
what
here.
the boss
This why you
at?
got cuffs on.
I need to see the boss.
Come on, you get ready to go
You're
see
gonna
him.
I
see
Come
need,
the boss.
please, to, please.
Come on.
Baby one. Baby one. I got
Lucy, you
you.
want
Come
the
on.
bag?
I don't need no help.
You need help.
I'm double jointed.
Okay.
You don't got to touch
you,
me.
but you're barely walking, so we still gotta
I'm
hold.
barely walking. I know how to walk.
See, this is why you got cuffs on you.
See?
Nah, because she's I'm
Unless you
barely
ready to get
walking.
some leg cuffs on you too.
You all over the place.
Like, I don't get up for what's up. Because I'm be out in the
Baby,
morning.
come
Y'all
on.
doing some racist.
We ain't gonna keep talking to you.
You made my shoe come off. Like, what's wrong with you?
Come on.
You made my shoe come off.
Come on.
You made my shoe come off. You made my shoe come off.
He's pulling up. Just put it down.
You made my shoe
the bag
come
down.
off.
I got it.
Let her put her shoe on.
You made my shoe come off. Like,
You made your shoe come
no,
off.
you made that. Please fuck that. I swear you could throw that shit. I'm just trying to
I'm putting charges on her for real.
Bro, what? You
Yeah,
gay? I ain't
yeah.
do shit. Get your gay ass
Sit
on.
down. Sit down. Sit down.
Yeah, I know.
Act up.
Get your gay ass on.
Come on.
Freaky body ass.
There you go.
That's how I'm happy I was a nigga
Get up.
my whole life.
Yup. You stupid.
Yep, get your gay ass on. So freaky. Then they stick that deep.
Bye.
They stuck it deep. This way.
Have a
They
seat.
stuck it deep.
Sit in.
Yo, sit
Have a
down.
seat. Get your feet off the door.
Get my dog.
Girl,
Stop it. Get off of me.
stop it.
Get off of me.
Seatbelt on her.
Get off of me.
You got a seatbelt?
Put your hands
Stop.
so we can put the seatbelt on you. Hey.
Go on the other side, Lucy. She trying to kick and bite.
Who's trying to kick the box?
That's you.
Let me go.
Miss, listen to me. Listen
Put
to
your
me.
feet down.
Listen to me. Bam.
Oh,
Chill out. Chill out.
Airport Speakers, 1793. Yeah, go ahead.
Come on,
Somebody fucked you, didn't they?
miss.
Get your gay ass on.
Thank you.
Communications,
International?
1704.
International?
Yeah.
Because your car's over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go over there.
1704, you stop for the ride shares. Pick up zone 1 and 4 or something like that.
No, they not let my shoes out. No, they not letting me fly. I think they finna take me to the jail. For no reason, I didn't even do nothing.
Alright, come on. Ready? who you talking to, your mom?
Yeah.
So you're going to Clayton County Jail.
I'm going to where?
Clayton County.
Clayton County Jail.
Yes, ma'am.
For what? I'm going to Clayton County. I'm going for what? Yeah. Yes, and I'm going to. They say I'm going to Clayton County Jail for what?
I don't know what he's charging you with.
I don't know what they charge me with either, but I need to know before I go in
He'll tell
here.
you. He'll tell you.
Okay, I need to hurry up and know.
Okay. As
Because
soon as he
I'm not
gets
just
here,
one.
he'll let you know.
Okay, I need to hurry up and know. So who?
I'm not sure. In the drawer, top drawer.
I didn't do nothing. They taking me for something.
Come on, man.
They taking me for
Turn the light on
something.
right there. Thank you. Have a seat. Can I talk to him for a second?
This is my brother. No, you can't talk to them because
Okay.
I shouldn't be in here.
Okay. Well, I need the purse from around
You
your
need
neck.
my purse.
Yes, ma'am.
I need.
Under Federal Aviation Regulations, 14 CFR Part, 250 airlines hold independent authority to deny boarding to any passenger deemed a safety risk. This is a civil carrier determination. It does not trigger Fourth Amendment protections. Under O.C.G.A. Section 161141, public drunkenness, a person commits an offense by appearing in an intoxicated condition in any public place. Formal sobriety testing is not required. Probable cause may be established through officer behavioral observation alone. Under O.C.G.A. Section 161024, obstruction of law enforcement officers willfully hindering an officer in the lawful discharge of official duties is a criminal offense. Sustained refusal to vacate a restricted area after repeated lawful directives satisfies this element independently. Graham v. Connor, 490, U.S. 3, 861, 989. The reasonableness of force must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of decision, not in hindsight and not based on facts discovered after the fact. Devin Peck v. Alford, 543 U.S. 1462004. A custodial arrest does not require verbal communication of the specific charge at the moment of detention. Constitutional validity turns on the existence of probable cause, not its articulation by the arresting officer. City of Houston v. Hill, 482 U.S. 4511987. Verbal abuse directed at law enforcement constitutes protected speech under the First Amendment. Criminal statutes that criminalize such speech without requiring an immediate threat of violence are facially overbroad. Chaplinsky v. New Hampshire, 315. U.S. 5681942. The fighting words exception covers only utterances that by their very nature tend to incite an immediate breach of the peace. Georgia courts apply this exception narrowly under current First Amendment doctrine. Under O.C.G.A. Section 161139, disorderly conduct the fighting words. Prong requires words that would naturally provoke violent resentment. Speech directed at officers, however, offensive, rarely meets this constitutional threshold under modern judicial interpretation. Under the 14th Amendment Due Process Clause, courts examine whether a detainee received adequate notice of the legal basis for seizure. Failure to articulate charges creates evidentiary vulnerability and increases exposure to civil rights claims under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983. Lesson 1. Conducting a field sobriety test when operationally feasible significantly strengthens the evidentiary foundation for a public drunkenness charge and reduces exposure to Fourth Amendment challenge in subsequent prosecution. Lesson 2. Clearly communicating the legal basis for an arrest at the time of detention reflects best practice under Fourth Amendment principles, reduces grounds for civil rights litigation, and strengthens the admissibility of post-arrest statements. Lesson 3. A passenger denied boarding holds no legal right to remain in a sterile concourse. Immediate compliance with a lawful escort eliminates the factual predicate for any criminal charge. Refusal transforms a civil airline dispute into a criminal encounter.